In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record voiceover in Google Slides as a helpful teacher tip. Let's dive in and explore how you can enhance your presentations with custom voiceovers. First, we need to open Google Slides to get started. So go to your web browser and type in Google Slides in the address bar, or simply click on your bookmarked link to reach the homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This is essential as it allows you to access all your presentations and save any changes directly to the cloud. After signing in, you'll be on the Google Slides homepage, where you can see all your existing presentations. If you're new to Google Slides, you'll find this platform quite intuitive with its clean layout and easy access to various options. From here, you can either select an existing presentation, or if you want to try something fresh, click on blank presentation to open a new slide deck. You also have the option to choose from a range of templates available, which can help kickstart your design process if you're short on ideas. Now that you've opened your presentation, it's time to extend its capabilities. Navigate to the top menu and click on Extensions. This is where Google's powerful suite of add-ons and tools becomes accessible. Next, you'll want to click on Add-ons within the Extensions menu, which opens a world of third-party tools tailored for Google Slides. Select Get Add-ons from the drop-down. This redirects you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a hub filled with numerous tools designed to bring extra functionality to your slides. In the search bar within the Marketplace, type in Pear Deck, a fantastic tool that allows seamless integration for interactive and engaging presentations, and ideal for the voiceover option we're pursuing. Click on Pear Deck once it appears in the search results. This is an interactive presentation tool that enhances your slides. It's especially popular with educators who want to create dynamic lessons that engage students in a meaningful dialogue. Click on the Install button to integrate it into your Google Slides workspace. The installation process is straightforward. Follow any prompts and permissions required to complete the install, which usually involves granting it access to your presentation and any microphone permissions for recording. And there you have it. You're ready to start using Pear Deck, which facilitates adding voice over to your slides, making your lessons or presentations not only more personalized, but also aiding in maintaining audience engagement. By integrating Pear Deck and using its features, you can create a fully narrated presentation perfect for remote teaching or asynchronous learning environments. This makes your content accessible and engaging whenever and wherever your audience may be tuning in. I hope this teacher tip helps elevate your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.